Hey, hey, and we're back. Alright, so I finally passed those stupid little tree things right there. Looks like we got something we can knock down. And I did it happily. Alright, jump on these little butterflies here. They go shooting up into the sky. Ooh. And giant butterflies, giant butterflies. All the butterflies! It's just like an infinite X button. I don't know. Ooh, good. Let me up, let me up, let me up, let me up. There we go. Oh, and there's another statue of the lady crying. She's just a very, very sad lady. Doesn't matter where we go. She's never satisfied. Oh, look, this one she's not sad. She was satisfied. Who? And it looks like she's gonna step down. Hang on, you can step down after I finish breaking all your priceless antiques over here. Man, I really hope I'm not missing a lot of stuff. You know what? I'm not, because it'll make me go back eventually. Right? Right? Oh, there's all these little butterflies again. Butterflies. Where you going, little butterflies? Ooh, that's right, I forgot. Hey, big bird. Oh, nice. I feel like I'm just not... There you go. God damn it. Here we go. Finally. Damn it, no, you black butterflies are a bunch of jerks. Go away. Shouldn't be messing with me. Can't blow me away whenever I'm a big stone, douchebag. Yeah, douchebag. Good. No, keep screaming. Good. Cause you ain't got nothing, Mr. Bird. Nothing. Cause you suck. Ooh, you don't suck. I'm sorry. I take it back. Can I go anywhere else other than here? Nope, nowhere. Alright. Ugh. You know what this thing reminds me of? It's Nexus. It reminds me of Nexus from Ferngully. Just like the really like... Oh, that's right. I have to say, as far as boss battles go, this one is not difficult. Which is probably why I like this game so much, is because it's an easy thing to do, you know, which is nice. My boyfriend actually plays games much more than I do, so this is a good segue back into playing games and stuff like that, because it's really hard to find that really good game that I've been, you know, really wanting to play lately. And then you got that. I was just talking good about this game. Damn bird. Stupid bird. Alright, let's try this again. Good job, bird. Good job. Oh, this music is so awesome. Oop, my bad. I was supposed to go up. And I'm soaring with a giant bird that just tried to kill me. Ooh, what happened there? I just choked to death and disappeared. Alright, you guys, it's getting brighter. Brighter and brighter. I like how I don't even look anymore. I just kind of jump. Like, hopefully this is where I'm supposed to go. Otherwise, I'll just do it all over again. Alright, we got tons of those little black butterflies again, so... Dang it, I forgot what I was supposed to do on this part. Oh, apparently I'm just supposed to get really, really close to him and get on his last damn nerve. You better scream now, you stupid bird. I'm not going anywhere. Yes, totally reminds me of Nexus. Oh, hello, little butterflies. My little constellation bridge. Take me far, far away. Although I just killed the bird, but... Alright, found another stairway to heaven. Good grief. Oh, here we go. This is where she gets all emotional. She's gonna cry. And then the whole world changes into blue. I added blue to the world. Gosh, this is just so pretty. It's just the detail, the watercolor. Like, it's just... As an artist, this makes my heart so happy. This game makes my heart so happy. I'm just gonna crawl into your head. Please don't mind me. Woohoo! I've fallen and I can't get up. Boop. That's the cutest little bloop. Bloop. So, I don't know if you caught on to it yet, but every single thing that she brings, every single color she brings to the world, like the red, she brought in the red, it brought in sand, you know, the storms, the sandstorms, and then she brought in the green, and it, you know, made plants, and it made life, and invisible tree, you guys, you see that? You know, blue, now it's water. I love it. I just love all of it. I really hope that you guys are enjoying it also. Bloop. I wonder if I was supposed to jump up there. Probably. One more time. Aw, man, barely missed those damn butterflies. Woohoo, I thought I wasn't going to make that. Yes. I wonder if those are checkpoints and not something else. Because that was kind of difficult to get to for a checkpoint. More little sit balls. And she's just running, 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 running. Bloop. Oh, I love that. Every time I do it, ooh, 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 ooh. Got too excited. Dang it. And bloop. There you go, my little constellations. Be free. Join your giant bridge. All right, you guys. I think that's it for another episode. Join us next time whenever we'll give you a new one. Bye.